Have you ever set a goal? For example, starting this year, I run every morning, and then a week later, you're running, with your eyes to the fridge. Congratulations, you're not the only one. And it's not your fault. We just don't know how to set goals properly. Today, I will show you how to set goals that actually work, without magic and endless lists. In this video, you will learn why your goals don't work, how to set goals that actually get done, and how not to lose motivation halfway through till the end. It'll be not only systematic, but also full of useful info that'll make your procrastination stop and think for a second. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy! Wait, baby!
First of all, let's answer the question, why don't goals work? Because most people set goals that are too abstract. For example, I want to be better. I want to earn more. I want to grow. Many people set goals like this, and there's nothing wrong with it. But they're too vague. You need a plan. You need clarity. It's like telling a taxi driver, take me somewhere better. He'll either take you to the woods or shove you into debt. A study by Harvard Business School shows that 83% of people never set any goals at all. 14% set goals but don't write them down. And only 3% of people on the planet actually set, write down, and track their goals and progress. These 3% achieve 10 times more than everyone else combined.
What a twist!
So how do you set goals the right way? Tip 1. The SMART method. The SMART method isn't just a trendy word, it's a real formula. Here's a breakdown of the word and a properly set goal. S. Specific. Learn 1,000 words. M. Measurable. Track progress in an app. A. Achievable. Not 10 hours a day, but 30 minutes. R. Relevant. For work or admission. T. Time-bound. By August 1st, example of a bad goal. I want to be in shape. Example of a good goal. I'll go to the gym 3 times a week for an hour to lose 5 kilograms in 2 months. Another example. Bad. I want to learn English. Good. I'll study English 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, so I can understand movies in 4 months. Now, using these examples, write or rewrite your goal with a clear request, a specific deadline, realistic conditions, and a concrete step-by-step plan. Now, that's a properly set goal. Remember, a goal without a plan is like a gym membership without ever going. You've got the card, but no muscles. What to do next? The next step is Tip 2. Write down your goals, on paper, not in your head. When you write down your goal, it stops being an idea and becomes a commitment. Your brain takes it seriously. If you want to change something, just write it down. Scientific fact. People who simply write down their goals increase their chances of achieving them by almost 42%. SMART recommendations. Keep a notebook. Use notes on your phone or a habit tracker, Notion, Habitica, etc. Write the goal, the deadline, your progress, and a checklist. You need to write it down because your head is not a flash drive. It's already full of deadlines, passwords, your ex's name, and your mum's birthday. Why add your goals in there too? You've set the right goal. You've written it down. Now we move to the next step. Tip 3. Break down your goal. Imagine your goal is a giant cake. You can't eat it all at once, unless you're a champion eater. But if you slice it, each piece is easy to eat. Can you move a mountain? No. Yes, if you move it 1 rock at a time, a rock that you can lift. Remember, 1 rock you can lift, done consistently. Example. Goal. Launch a YouTube channel. Break it into steps. Come up with a topic. Script shooting, editing, thumbnail, and description publishing. Every step is achievable, and when you complete one, you feel motivated to continue. Break big goals into small steps. Want to learn a new language? Week 1, 100 basic words. Week 2, grammar. Week 3, conversations and practice. Learn this rule. The smaller the step, the less resistance. Don't try to swallow an elephant. Better prepare fillets, slice by slice. Don't take it literally. Elephants are on the endangered species list. Now you've broken everything into small steps and are doing the most important thing. You're taking action.
Nice.
Next tip will help keep your thoughts sharp. Tip 4. Visualize the result. It's long been known that our brain doesn't see the difference between imagination and reality. If you imagine daily how you reach your goal, you form a new mindset. Example: want abs? Hang a photo of the body you're aiming for. Want to speak in public? Imagine applause, a stage, confidence. Imagine how you'll feel once you reach the goal. Act from that feeling. That's how success gets closer. And when you truly feel the desire for that goal, you won't drop it. According to neuroscientists, visualization activates the same part of the brain as real actions. If you imagine yourself with abs, make sure you also visit places other than the pizza section. Next tip helps you move toward your goals consistently and makes them into a habit. Tip 5. Link your goal to a habit. Attach your goal to an existing habit. For example, after brushing your teeth, learn 10 words. After breakfast, meditate for 5 minutes. This method is called habit stacking. It's scientifically proven that new habits stick better when tied to existing ones. You're not starting from scratch. You're installing a new goal into your daily routine. You stop overthinking. The habit becomes automatic. This creates the formula: habit plus new goal. High chance of success. If you learn 10 words after brushing your teeth, your mouth won't just be clean, it'll be bilingual. And the final tip is, do a regular check-in once a week. Do a review, 10 minutes of analysis. What you did, where you fell behind, what to adjust. Do a monthly summary. How many steps, how much progress, why it matters. You stay on course because you're always steering. Like GPS, we don't just set point A and B. We watch along the way so we don't veer off. People who track progress weekly increase their success rate by 33%. If you don't check your progress, it's like assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. You've got screws, but what is this crooked stool? So, what did we learn? A goal without a system is just a fantasy. Write it down, be specific, break it into steps, and track your progress. And don't wait for January 1st. Start today. Set one smart goal today. Write it down and take a small step. Write in the comments one goal you want to reach this month. Make sure it's SMART, or I'm not giving you credit.